Today I want to show you how to make whipped lavender shea butter with only a few beautiful ingredients. We have unrefined shea butter. Unrefined is always a top choice over anything that is refined. Then coconut oil, some apricot oil, and almond oil. These are very light carrier oils that will absorb quickly on your skin. And then some lavender essential oil. I am using this 8-ounce unrefined shea butter. It comes in a brick shape. It's very easy to cut, and I just love to get it from a brick size as opposed to a jar. It cuts very easily. It's soft and just rich and pure. Just as you cut it, rub some on your skin. You'll have super soft hands by the end of your DIY. So you want to cut it off in little pieces and put it in a heat-proof container. Put it on a scale, zero it out, and then you'll be adding the oils. And the oils are 2 ounces of apricot oil, 2 ounces of almond oil, and 3 ounces of coconut oil. Everything will go in this heat-proof container that then we will melt slowly over a double boiler. This is a double boiler. Make sure the heat is set on medium or low, and it'll be melted in about 15 minutes. While the shea butter is melting, you want to measure out your essential oil in grams. I used to measure them in drops, but using grams is a lot more accurate. And for this recipe, it's going to be 6 grams of lavender essential oil. Our shea butter is mostly melted, so I'll take it off the heat, stir it up, and wait about 10 minutes. And then I put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Now this recipe yields about 15 ounces of product, so whatever jar you have, you can use mason jars, amber plastic jars, whatever you have. I will fill up 4 of these little 4-ounce jars. After about 2 hours, you want to take your bowl with the butter and oils out of the fridge. Make sure you scrape the sides off and then add the essential oils and stir them up. After that, you can switch to whipping. I am using only 1 wand in my electric mixer. Set it on medium and just keep whipping for about 10 minutes until it gets very creamy. I decided to stop here. You can whip a little longer if you want to increase the volume, but that's not necessary. I love to add a little bit of sparkles or mica or even a crushed up eyeshadow to add a bit of a sparkle to my body butter, but this is completely optional and it really has no moisturizing functions. It's just a fun thing to add. And now you are ready to fill your jars. Fill them up all the way to the top. Make sure you kind of give it a little hit at the bottom of that jar to let the butter settle all the way to the base. And then you are ready to use this for 6 to 9 months is the shelf life. You'll use it all, I promise. I hope you love it. Leave any comments or any questions you have below.